These are our sockets for the small kitchen area that we've got down here in the basement. These will be above the counter, below. That's going to be the supply in the bathroom. So our light switch for the kitchen area. And as you can see, we've put all these boxes and the conduit pipes in the RCC wall. So we're not chasing the wall after to put our pipes in. That's the AC supply pipe for the AC pipe to go up and down. That'll be the drain for the AC. And then we've got sockets here as well. You can see them. Got sockets here as well. 3 single sockets on that side, 3 on that side. Then we've got pipe just for the projector. Wires to go from the projector and speaker wires to come in here in the cabinet. Got more sockets here. Some light supplies there. The shuttering work's getting done as well. So we've got light switches here. These will be for the basement. They look a little bit high, but we're gonna have a few steps here. And then once we got the steps, they'll fall in place. So these will control the gym area. Lights, fans, all from here. You can see we've covered the whole back box. It's nice and secure. All the pipes are nice and secure. So when we fill it in with concrete, hopefully it won't get blocked.